Channel. What I have today is cutting and sewing of face mask, so stay tuned as you watch. Now I have this fabric here. I'm going to measure the length. What I have for the length here is approximately 18 inches. Then for the width I have 8 inches. So I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts this way, and I'm going to slit it. So the next thing now is to go on the machine while we do the sewing. Now I'm going to start the sewing. It's going to be pleating. To the other side. So what I'm going to do, and I will seal. Is what I've just done on this. The way I've just pleated this, that's exactly how I'm going to pleat this. Is to place, before I place it on each other, this is my twine elastic one. I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts. What I have here is approximately 8 inches. I'm going to cut it into 2 equal parts. Then I will take one of these, place this here, fix my elastic. The next thing, I'm going to place this on this. After placing it, I'm going to sew right from this edge. Sorry, I will start here. I will start like this to this edge here. So preferably I'm going to start from the almost 1 inch before the midpoint here, 1 inch before the midpoint. So somewhere here I will sew it round to this side like this, then to somewhere here. So let's go. The elastic does not touch the seam line. I'll be very careful in doing this. We have come to almost the end of the face mark and sewing of this face mark. Now, as you can see, I started here sewing it round up to this end, and I stop here. This space is where I'm going to turn it out. So to close it up here. This video, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.